with Keller Williams featuring the therejteam in Rockland County, and I wanted to make this video specifically on how to maximize the exposure on your home, especially if you're looking to sell it either on your own, with an agent. These are some of the things that you need to know to best prepare yourself to maximize that exposure to get the most amount of buyers in the house. The first thing I would say is make sure to price it correctly. The reason why pricing matters is because you want to allocate the home where it belongs on the market, so any potential buyers that are looking to purchase around that price range and they see your home standing out, they're gonna get excited and they're gonna want to go see it. The next thing I would say, which is step number 2, is to make sure that you understand the difference between passive marketing and active marketing. Anybody can put it on the internet, put it on Zillow, run social media ads, email blast it to all the local agents, or just email blast it to whoever you may know, direct mailing. Those are all passive marketing. The active marketing is actually another step, so it's like going the extra mile. One of the things that I actually found very effective is when you go out of your way and you door knock, cold call, or even meet other agents at networking events, basically telling them, hey, my house is on the market, this is what it's going for, these are all the features, spreading the word. So one of the things that I found to be very beneficial, especially if you're looking to have an open house, is to door knock at least 150 to 200 neighbors, pretty much inviting them. If it's obviously below 0 degrees here in New York, you may want to take the cold calling approach. It's just find your phone book, call up all the neighbors, let them know that you're having an open house, because it's not so much about the neighbor himself, but it's more about who they may know. It's crazy how many people I've actually found through door knocking. I mean, just the other day, my client was looking to sell his house, and I was just door knocking, hey, your neighbor Fred is looking to sell, just wanted to come by and invite you to the open house. And it's so funny because the neighbor's grandma ended up wanting to buy a house in that neighborhood, and she came by the next day and submitted the highest offer that we've had on that house. So think about that for a second. It's not all about just the passive marketing, internet, they'll call me, whatever. Make sure to do the active marketing as well, because that will take you a long way. And the last thing, make sure that the house shows very well. One of the things that I found is that when a house gets professional photography, it's decluttered, and at the end of the day, you're able to show it very convenient to the buyers. The buyers want to see it an hour, 2-hour notice. That's what's going to help you maximize that exposure, because now if a buyer can't get in the house and you're making them jump through all these hoops, they're going to not get so motivated. They're going to start thinking, hey, maybe there's something wrong with this house. Maybe it's just not meant for us, not meant to be. Like, so many people think about that kind of stuff. So just make sure you make it easy and accessible for the buyers to get in there. That way they're able to take a look and possibly bring you a good offer. So those are the 3 major steps that I would definitely recommend you guys to take action on. And if you have any questions or want more information on how to maximize your exposure, feel free to email me or contact me. My contact information is going to be below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.